we may also have a difference or sum of two cubes when one of them is a term cubed, not just a single expression. So in this case, when we have 8x to the third power, that's really taking 2x and cubing it. 2 cubed is 8, x cubed is x cubed. And we would be subtracting from there 5 cubed, because 125 is 5 to the third power. So using my structure, I'm going to have an a, this first term here, and a b in a binomial. Then I'm going to have an a squared as the first term of my trinomial, and a b squared as the third term of my trinomial, and the middle term is going to be an a times a b. Since this is negative, my first sign is going to be the same, so my binomial would be a minus b. The second sign would be the opposite, so the opposite of negative is positive. And the last sign is always positive. So now I can input 2x as my a and 5 as my b into this structure. So first it's going to be 2x minus 5, because a is really 2x and b is minus 5, so a minus b would be 2x minus 5. Now my a, since it is a variable term with a coefficient, I need to square everything, so I'm going to write the entire term in there, 2x squared, and I'll simplify it later. The last term here is going to be b squared. Well, that's really going to be 5 squared, and again, I'll simplify this later for you. And the middle is going to be a times b. Well, that's really 2x times negative 5, so that would really be 2x times negative 5 in the middle. And now I can put my signs in. Again, the first sign is the same as the one I started with, so negative. The second sign would be opposite, so we're going to add this product. And the third sign is going to always be positive. Just to simplify here, this binomial won't change. Now I'm going to take 2x squared. Well, 2 squared is 4, and x squared is x squared. If you wanted to check this, on distributing, you would take 2x times 4x squared, and you would get 8x to the third power. This next term here, be careful. We've inputted the sign as positive because it is the opposite of the negative according to the structure, but the result of multiplying those two together is a negative number, so this will now be a negative term. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, and we still have an x in there. Now we're going to take 5 and square it, and that's 25, and that would be positive 25. So 8x to the third power minus 125, the difference of 2x cubed minus 5 cubed would simplify to 2x minus 5 times 4x squared minus 10x plus 25.